How to make money online as a teenager. The most common reason why teens don't succeed with internet marketing is they lack focus. They are too busy doing other things. There are so many ways to make money online these days that it can seem like a daunting prospect. But don't be intimidated. You don't need to have a college degree or even a high school diploma to make money online. If you are an entrepreneur who just started out, you might not realize how much potential there is to make online money. With the rise of internet entrepreneurship, teens are starting to earn money online and build their own businesses. These are the jobs that a teen can easily do without any struggle. But before that, subscribe to my technical solution channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Do online surveys. There are a lot of surveys on internet that pay good money. In some cases, you can make a full-time income from home. It isn't as easy as it seems. You need to work hard to make money online. You need to be patient and persistent. Many people get frustrated and give up. If you are interested in making money online, you have got to be willing to put in time and effort. Number 1. Life points. With life points, your answer can help to make a difference in future products and services, shaping the world around you and earning you free gift cards at the same time. You can go to their website and answer on the go. Here are the steps to perform it. Step number 1. Sign up. Join the expanding community and discover how much they value your opinion. In the last year, they have paid over $22 million to their members. Step 2. Start. Complete surveys. Complete surveys and earn rewards by sharing your feedback on products and brands. Step number 3. Get rewarded. Earning life points allows you to redeem them as e-gift cards, PayPal credit, and much more. Number 2. Swagbucks. Launched in Southern California in 2008, swagbucks.com is the web's most popular loyalty and customer reward program. Members of this free reward service get free gift cards or cash for the everyday activities they are already completing online, like searching the web and doing other tasks. You'll earn rewards in points called SP, and you can redeem your points for gift cards or cash. Moving towards second way to make online as a teenager is number 2. Be a customer service representative. It is easy to make money online when you are working for yourself, but if you want to make serious money online as a teenager, you will need to find a way to get paid for your work. Therefore, customer service is a popular way for teenagers to make money online. You must have heard about customer service representatives who work for online companies. They take orders from items like pizza or books or other merchandise over the phone, and they are able to make money for the jobs they do. If you are looking to find a job that will allow you to work for yourself, then becoming a customer service representative might be a good idea. Number 3. YouTube videos. YouTube is a great way to make money online. You can start with a small channel and work your way up. As you get more views, you will gain more subscribers. This means that you can make more money over time. Making videos for YouTube isn't hard. Most of the time, you just need to record your own voice. The only thing that is tricky about this is that you need to be a good presenter. People will want to hear what you have to say, so you need to prepare your comments and responses carefully. Number 4. Start a teen podcast. Mostly we see podcasts done by mature and mid-age individuals, but there are a few teens who are doing podcasts. I can even count on my fingers. Teen podcasts are becoming very popular. Many people listen to them. Most of the people who listen to them are teenagers and young adults. If you want to get into this business, you should start one. If you are a teen, you should create a podcast and host it on your own YouTube channel and invite your fellows. They can be young entrepreneurs, top performing students, and sport kids. Number 5. Cash your passion. Cashing your passion as a teen. A book I read called The One Thing by Gary Keller helped me figure out what I wanted to do with my life. He said that if you're passionate about something, there is no reason why you can't make a living at it. So I decided to become a writer, and I haven't looked back since. Now I write blog posts, SEO articles, script for videos, description for products, and much more. Similarly, the passion you have has a lot of potential, but all you need is to start working on it. It can be anything like reading, writing, drawing, photography. Conclusion. In conclusion, if you want to make money online as a teenager, you need to take time out of your life to do it. It's not a hobby, it's a business. You need to invest the time and effort to make sure you are always learning something new. Lastly, I have found that teens who are successful with internet marketing do it by focusing on one thing at a time. Same advice for you, young millionaires. Thanks for watching.